Are you out here begging for money? We're going to talk about that coming up.
Stay tuned. Hey, you guys. So we wanted to just have a casual conversation.
Can we talk?
Can we talk for a minute? Just some things. We want to start sharing just a few things that possibly makes us go, or it may be heavy on our heart, or it just maybe just our own opinions, right? So again, we want to just be able to have an open conversation. And one thing that we've been noticing for a while now, one of the things that I can personally say that just gets under my skin.
Like right underneath it. Like
what I'm noticing lately is a lot of
begging.
Yes, basically. So
social media begging.
You guys, I feel like nobody is talking about it. I feel like nobody wants to be offensive. Of course, we never want to be offensive, but she
never wants to be offensive.
But we've always considered ourselves to really just keep it real type thing. But one thing that's bothering me is that if I scroll through social media, I'm seeing a lot of people, I think it's like modern begging.
It's a digital Dixie cup.
Oh my gosh.
People shaking.
Now, we're not talking about legitimate needs because we have been a blessing and we have been able to give to people that set up GoFundMes or have Cash App requests and things like that for legitimate needs. I mean,
we've done it.
We've done it and we'll still do it. But I'm talking about one of the things that I don't understand, and that's why, can you all just help me understand?
We're willing to listen.
I've noticed a lot lately, especially if it's someone's birthday. I mean, they're getting professional graphics made, right? Professional flyers made talking about, it's my birthday, happy birthday, and here's my Cash App, give to me. And I do get it where we should be a blessing to others if it's a special holiday or special occasion, birthday and things like that. But when do we start putting it out there, being aggressive ourselves, saying, hey, give me money, here's my Cash App? I think it really did it for me when I saw someone that I really, really respected that's in the entertainment world, and they posted it. It was her husband's birthday, and she posted, hey, y'all, give to my husband, here's his Cash App type thing. It just left a bad taste.
For what? I don't know you.
No, I mean, no.
I don't know you like that.
I think it left a bad taste in my mouth only because I feel like there are legitimate, real, honest needs. People are needing right now. People are in need of help, financial help. Some people are encountering things in their lives that they can't, carry on their own financially. And I feel like this is overcrowding that. I think that people are almost being desensitized to the real serious issues because everybody's now just asking for money.
Yeah. I think that it is devaluing what Cash App or what GoFundMe was established to do. And the bigger problem that I have is it's a mindset now. It's a mentality that has been developing. When I say it's like a digital Dixie cup, it feels
professional
that way.
graphics.
It's like you're out here saying, it's my birthday, give me some money.
Or I want to go here. Now, I'm not talking about missions and things like that because I believe in supporting people that are doing mission work and going like that because the expenses are high. But some people are just like, here's my Cash App, give here so I can go to New York. Really?
Child, please.
And I think what concerns me is because we have 3 small children and they're growing up in this society that's almost like a always have my hand out type of thing. Mm-hmm. And I really want our children to really work. I feel like we had to work for our school, our college, and just work for things in life. You know what I mean? And things weren't handed to us. It really wasn't.
Here's the problem, guys. Listen carefully. Don't miss the point of everything we're saying right now. That is the opposite of a wealth mentality. Okay? When you're saying, give me money for my birthday, help me pay for this trip, this vacation, you are not thinking with wealth in mind.
Right.
It would be different if you would say, I am starting this business and I need some startup capital. Partner with me, help me bring this vision to life. That is a wealth mentality because you're asking for seed and you're saying you're going to take this seed, put it in the ground, work it, and bring forth the fruit, bring it to marketplace to help somebody else in this world. That's a wealth mentality. When you think that your Facebook friends, who ain't even all really your friends, should give you money just because it's your birthday, woo!
Yeah.
I worry about the type of mentality that you have when it comes to money. Mm-hmm. We don't want you to stay there. Listen, if you you've done that, we're not here to condemn you.
We're
trying to open your eyes. We're trying to expand your thought processes. We want you to have the type of mentality that seeks opportunity, that sees an opportunity and wants to make it into something bigger.
Yep.
We don't want you to see yourself as an opportunity and you're getting professional graphics done, a campaign made just for people to give to you so you can go spend on something
and
frivolous.
Like photo shoot type thing. And I'm like, didn't that cost money to actually get that created? Now granted, some people now with a lot of online resources, you could probably make your own professional graphic, but I've seen some really good ones. I mean, really good ones. And I feel like gone are the days where it's like, hey, I'll cut your grass for the summer in order for you to cut this check, I don't know, for me to go overseas to do this or that or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
I just feel like there's no more like I'll do this so you can be a blessing. It's more like give me.
Yeah.
And I really challenge you to really question and to really challenge your mindset. As you said, it is a mindset thing. What can you do to go out there, as they say, and secure the bag, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and again, it's just a big concern of mine, especially with having children growing up, and we're always teaching our kids, hey, things are just not given to you. You have to work hard for it and do things. Now, again, we're not talking about, because so many of you guys and people have reached out to us, say, hey, do you have a PayPal? We want to be able to be a blessing to you and make a donation. We're not talking about blessings and donations. We're not even talking about, far as companies or brands such as ourselves having their PayPal email or Cash App,
especially
or
if you're getting
Apple Pay
a service
type.
and you
Exactly.
wanna, thank you for this information.
Exactly.
You know
Things like
different.
Patreon and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Like, we're all for that. Like, service, and I do feel like the what does the scripture say? The servant is worthy of his hire, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I feel like you do need to be a blessing to those. I feel like you can't always receive, and not sow back into that source that you're receiving from, right? So I just felt like the whole Cash App thing, we want to come and just talk with you guys and just, again, we're going to just be having real, raw conversations. Some things that make Talent and Ty go, I don't like it. And this gets a thumbs down for me, or it gets a thumbs up for me, and this was just one thing that just has been really bothering me, because I feel like there's so many people that are really in need. I mean, they have funds to actually start infertility treatment, or they have funds to actually start businesses, or funds to go do mission work. Like, I feel like those are some really legitimate, just integral needs, far as, but when you start begging, I call it modernized begging. I really do. Some of you guys may disagree. That's okay. But I just want you guys to, I just want you all to challenge your mindset and say, okay, am I asking people to give to me because I really do have a need? Or am I asking just because now I have an excuse because this is my birthday and people are just going to give to me?
Well, at the end of the day, we want you to think like a boss. We
think
want you
like
to think
a boss.
like a CEO.
Yeah.
We want you to think like an investor. We want you to think like an entrepreneur. We don't want you thinking like just somebody who is looking for their next fix or looking for their next handout.
Right.
We want you to be thinking, man, I can take this and make this out of it. I can take this and increase it to this. That's a different mindset. So at the end of the day, that's all we're asking. We're asking you to think differently. We're asking you to think with legacy on your mind, and not just thinking about the here and now.
All right, guys. Well, if you all enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Share it on Facebook, right? Share it on social media. I want to hear.
That's where they be talking all this.
Like, I want to really have an honest conversation. I would love to read your feedback. And again, this is no judgment towards anybody. This is strictly just our own thoughts and our own opinions around the situation. We want to hear from you. What do you think? Leave a comment in the comment section below. We would love to hear.
That's all we got for this time, guys. It's been great. Until next time. Peace.
Bye, y'all.